Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hey everyone, so you lucky people, today you're going to get to see what's on my phone, which is very, very tough. Nobody gets to see this, but I've decided to share it with you and Pinkvilla just this once. My most used emoji would be the laughing one, you know, with the tears streaming down the face. I just find life very funny and I use it a lot. My homepage wallpaper, well, my lock screen is this pink diamond and my homepage is another pink diamond. It's very, it's what I want. So I've just put this visualization technique on my phone, and the more I look at it, I know I'll get it eventually. My favorite throwback picture would be this one of my mum and me, and this was her birthday that we celebrated in the Napa Valley, and we had the most amazing time at French Laundry, drinking champagne and just being mum and daughter and celebrating. Most dialed person on my phone is my home. My home landline is the most dialed landline on my phone because I'm just constantly calling home to give them instructions on what to do next and how to take care of my dogs and make sure everything is organized. So I'm constantly just, calling home. Yeah. So that's Instagram, that's my phone, and that's photos. Recently, I shared it on my Instagram actually. I went to Goa and I was doing yoga on the beach and this friend of mine just clicked this picture with the sunset and I thought it was extremely sexy. So that would be my sexiest picture tweet. Least used app on my phone. Oh wait, I know this is GarageBand. I don't know why it's there. I don't know what to do with it. It's just there. It's on my phone. It's been there forever. The game I play the most on my phone is Toy Blast right now because I've been locked out of Candy Crush for some reason. So Toy Blast is the funny alternative to Candy Crush that we're all addicted to right now. Beauty Selfie Plus. That's, yes, I do use it sometimes. We don't all look so flawless in our photographs. It's Beauty Selfie Plus that's doing the trick. Okay, this is my worst selfie because okay, so I got a selfie stick in LA and I decided to torture my nieces and these kids that we'd gone to Warner Brothers, we'd gone to the studio to play around and enjoy ourselves, and they were so irritated with me. So this is my worst selfie because I'm totally loving this selfie stick and they're hating it and you can see it in their expressions. And I'm trying to take these crazy selfies with this stupid selfie stick like a mad person. So that's my worst selfie ever. I can't pick one really, but I'd have to say this one with Leo. It's one of my best selfies, one of the many. Number of pictures in my camera roll would be 30,292 pictures, out of which 10,000 are selfies. PVR, cinemas, Justice League tickets. Most used app would be Safari and Insta. I'm constantly on Instagram, I'm addicted to it. Oh, Feel It Still. I'm loving it right now on loop. I'm just addicted to the song. Here I have it 6:10 a.m. So that's it guys. Pinkvilla just hacked my phone and I hope you enjoyed getting a few insights in there. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Pinkvilla.